Hello, software engineers, developers, and others. Today, we are taking a look at Grokking the System Design Interview, one of Educative's most popular courses, only it's not called that anymore at all. This course has gotten a complete revamp. If you're looking for Grokking the System Design Interview on Educative, you're not actually going to find it. They're going to point you to this course, Grokking Modern System Design Interview for Engineers and Managers. So basically, this course is a two-part course where in one half, you are learning how to build certain applications or design the systems of certain applications. If we go down here, Twitter, Yelp, Google Maps, YouTube. Before you get there, though, you're studying these system design fundamentals like load balancers, DNS, databases, key value store, and so on. The entire course is 40 modules. They say it's going to take about 26 hours to complete. If you're totally new to this platform, one thing I want to point out right off the bat is that they don't do videos. They do not have any videos on this platform when it comes to you teaching yourself anything. Python, JavaScript, system design. And that is one thing that makes learning on this platform so efficient. You're not scrubbing through videos, trudging through a 40-minute video on DNS. For this course in particular, there are 135 quizzes, over 800 illustrations. I'm going to show you the illustrations of this course are phenomenal. They're very, shall I say, educative. Let's pop in. You can see what it looks like. I like the layout here too because you can go to the exact lesson without actually entering the course. The navigation is very clean. While you are doing a lot of reading, fortunately, those illustrations are popping up all the time. This is an illustration of an RPC workflow, remote procedural call. This is how it works. You can expect most of these illustrations to be informative. Whereas, some of these other courses, we have 400 illustrations of cats and elephants. Like, they're not just graphics, they're actual illustrations that illustrate a concept. There are a few coding editors in this course where you actually get a chance to code some stuff. There aren't many, though. I think there's like 4 or 5 in this entire course. I'm not going to try and find them. But this layout is pretty much what you can expect for the entire course. This is the pub-sub abstraction. Again, another important concept in system design. Here's an illustration of that pub-sub system. Let's go down to the second half of this course where you're going to be challenged to do some designs. Your first challenge is to design YouTube. Since you've already gone through all of these concepts, load balancers, databases, key value store, CDNs, etc., theoretically, you should be ready for some designing. So if we pop into this first lesson here in this module, they give you the overview, they define it. It really does simulate a FANG level interview because they give you the definition, they give you the parameters. They don't assume you know anything about this system, but there may be somebody in an interview who's never used WhatsApp or has never heard of it. So I do like that real world simulation of some of these elements that you will find in a software engineering / system design interview. They give you the requirements, and those are broken down into functional requirements along with non-functional requirements. So as they walk you through designing YouTube, yes, you're challenged to build it, but they also walk you through it, and they're throwing in multiple quizzes. So for this question, why don't we upload the video directly to the encoder instead of to the server? Doesn't the current strategy introduce an additional delay? At this point, you would attempt to answer the question. Here's the answer that succinctly by bullet point explains why that is. Then we go to the API design. The final module in the design YouTube section is a 6-question quiz. Which pair of requirements among the following cannot be compromised if we're asked to design Netflix? I don't know, and I got the answer wrong, and here's the explanation for all of these answers. Here's the correct answer: low latency and high availability. Streaming services highly require these 2 design goals to provide a good QoE to end user. This is the format you can expect with the rest of these design challenges. What's nice about this though is that if you completely bomb it, let's say you go through this, you take the quizzes, you're like, I still don't get it. That's what all this stuff up here is for. So just go back to the appropriate section, read up on it, and try it again. The other systems you're challenged to design in this course Quora, Google Maps, Yelp, Uber, Twitter, a newsfeed system, Instagram, TinyURL, a web crawler, that's kind of cool, WhatsApp, a type ahead suggestion, a collaborative document editing service like Google Docs. System design is critical when it comes to software engineering and creating these apps. I do not see a lot of good courses on system design. SystemsExpert, a sister product of ElgoExpert, is pretty good, but I personally like Grokking a lot better. Not that SystemsExpert is bad, it's a good product, but I like the design challenges, and I like that it works your way up to those challenges. They give you plenty of lessons before you're asked to design these systems. There also aren't any videos, whereas with SystemsExpert, there are huge video explanations, which for some people, they might prefer that. It's not a knock on the video-based way of learning. I just find that with the text-based learning, the quizzes, and the interactive bits, it just goes so much faster. It's so much more efficient. I'm not scrubbing through, again, a 30-minute video trying to find that 1-bit unload balancers. So how much does this course cost? This course is available as part of a subscription to the entire Educative platform. They have hundreds of courses. They have the annual premium, which is about $22.49 per month. They have the standard, which averages out to $16.66 per month. Or if you want to just do a monthly thing and knock that out, $59 per month. Again, it gets you access to the entire platform. They also do a 7-day free trial. So in my opinion, you can't go wrong. That's another thing compared to these other system design courses. They don't give you that free trial. Again, if you're looking for Grokking the System Design Interview, it's this course, but with some more stuff added. Definitely check this course out if you have a system design interview coming up. Engineers, I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.